First, he brought the chopsticks in Fighter of Fury. Then it was chowing time in Fighter of Fury 2. Now, it's time to fry or fight in Fighter of Fury 3, The Wrath of Spicy Chicken Flavor. Chun-Li is back to slice and dice, but this time, it isn't spicy flavored packets that fuels his hunger.
Dale, you're gonna tell me exactly where your twin brother that you grew up with as a child, Chun-Li, is at.
I'll never tell you. I'm not gonna tell you where he is.
Is that right? Not even for $500,000.
Never.
No, it's a thirst for revenge.
They killed my kid brother. You can't tell me what the law is. These fists and this fury are above the law, Detective Domino's.
It's Detective Dominguez.
That's what I said. Oh my god. What does this all mean? Damn it. If only Dale was here. He's the one who had the brains. All I have are these fists.
With danger at every corner, Chun-Li is going to have to use more than his good looks and chopsticks to break out of this one.
Oh my god. Not only did Mr. M kill my twin brother Dale, but he's planning on raising the ramen prices exponentially in the name of capitalism? How could he do this? How could he do this to the kids? No!
This summer, prepare for instant truth, instant justice, instant revenge, and yes, instant noodles in Fighter of Fury 3, The Wrath of Spicy Chicken Flavor. This film is not your rated.